Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In close proximity to Mandeville Town Center is this large building. Constructed on the land are 4 split level, 3 levels, townhouses, 2,662 square feet each. Basement, laundry room, workroom, and helpers quarters, which has bedroom and bathroom. Ground floor has entry porch, living, dining room, kitchen with granite countertops, single carport with electronic garage door, and a powder room. The upper floor has balcony, master bedroom ensuite with linen closet, bathroom and private balcony. One other bedroom with linen closet and bathroom. Please note this is a private treaty property, so interior viewing is not allowed. Guys, let's take a look at the exterior of this property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 135 million or US $877.1 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.